Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Relations and Functions exercise 2.2 fifth sum. Let's see the question. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by. So here they have given R to be A comma B. B belongs to A. So both A and B elements are belongs to A. B is exactly divisible by A. That is, B, the second part is divisible by the first one. B is exactly divisible by A means there is no denominator. It gets cancelled. Now in the first one they have asked, write R in roster form. So it is in we need to write it in roster form. Here the roster form is A comma B. If I take this, the values of B to be this, with it is completely divisible by 1. So 1 comma 1 will be a relation, 1 comma 2 is a relation, 1 comma 3 is a relation, because 3 by 1 it is divisible. So 1 comma 4 is a relation, 1 comma 6 is a relation, because 1 is divisible, any number is divisible by 1. So 1 I have completed with 1. Let's take 2. If I take 2 in the second, 2 by 1 it is divisible. A comma B, I have written 1 comma 2, so I can't repeat that. Now 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2 is divisible, so I can take 2 comma 2 because it is A comma B. A comma B is the number belongs to A, so we can take both number from, there are two A's, we are taking the relation as A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, another A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I am just checking A and B with that. So 2 comma 2, we can take 2 comma 2. Now 2 comma 3 is not divisible. 3 is not divided by 2. Now 4 is divisible by 2. So 2 comma 4 we can take. 2 comma 6 we can take. Similarly, now we'll check with 3. 1 comma 3 is not possible. 2 comma 3 is not possible. 3 comma 3 is divisible. So the same number is the 3 by 3, 4 by 4 are all divisible. The same numbers are all divisible. Now 3 comma 4 is not divisible. 3 comma 6 is divisible. Now we'll move on to the fourth. 1 comma 4 already we have written. We can't write that. 2 comma 4 already we have written. 3 comma 4 is not possible. 4 comma 4 we can write 4 comma 4. 4 comma 6 it's not divisible. Now we'll move on to the sixth one. 1 comma 6 no. 2 comma 6 is we have written. 3 comma 6 we have written. 4 comma 6 it is not possible. So 6 comma 6 it is divisible. So I have written all the relation in a roster form. Just check if you can't understand it, do it in your rough column and check whether it is divisible or not. Second one is divisible by the first one. This one is divisible by this. This one is divisible by this. This second one is divisible by the first one. You can check it and then write. Now we'll move on to the second subdivision. Here they have given find the domain of R. For the domain, the first elements, elements in the first R will be your domain. So domain is equal to the elements in the first one, that is 1. You cannot repeat it in the set, so it is 1 we have written. Next it's 2, 3, 4 and 6. All the elements in the first one. Now for the range, the elements in the second one, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Both the domain and range have same elements. That's all with the sum. Thank you.